Alrighty, we're in Japan. Japan, here we go. Oh my gosh. No, I'm still getting this. Saru! And he's also got another outfit. He's also got another outfit. His Kaya Platoon outfit, I'm guessing, because I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, then we got Oni Jaime, who was supposed to be a paid character again. Of course, they always gotta pay things, of course. Just of course. So we're gonna go at Saru. We're gonna go as Saru with the Miku dash. Well, let's go. This song is actually pretty good. Oh my god, just look at this place, bro. Why am I now just noticing what that icon thing is? Oh no! I was trying to get that token. No. I can't jump that if I could. I don't think I could, but... I don't think I could. Like that. Oh no, we're not doing that. But yeah, this save environment is very good. Oh gosh. Well, I didn't do that on purpose, but... I did not do that on purpose. Also, if you guys want to friend me, here is my tag. Here's my tag. Yeah, so if you guys want to friend me, just put in that tag. Or I'll probably have to send out a QR code link in the community post. Or I can just share it. Yeah, I'll do that after I post this one. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!